Welcome to all. Myself, Professor Ganesh Javalkar, working as Assistant Professor in NB Navle Siagat College of Engineering, Solapur. My total experience is 19 years. I have completed my ME in Civil Structures. For today's lecture, I will discuss regarding negative skin friction. So here it is, negative skin friction. So if you see first the diagram, so in the diagram, basic concept of friction pile, that is, if there is a pile, if this is a friction pile, this is a ground level, then load is coming on the pile in downward direction, then this load will be carried by the friction force which is in opposite direction. Means if the load is acting on the pile and pile is moving downwards, then this friction force will be in upward direction. So this is the concept of friction pile. So that is you can consider positive friction. So positive skin friction. Now here we will discuss about the negative skin friction. What is negative skin friction? Now when below GL, in the diagram it is shown, when below GL there are two types of soils are available, very loose soil and dense soil. Okay, if these two types of soils are available, then in very loose soil there is a negative skin friction. So how it occurs? So due to loose soil, okay, let us consider first dense soil. So dense soil will offer a positive skin friction. That means for this downward movement of load there is a frictional force which is in opposite direction to the load. So that is the positive skin friction. Now what is negative skin friction? So when there is a very loose soil, so very loose soil means there is a settlement of soil is more than the pile. The soil is settling more than the pile. So settlement of the soil is more than the pile. That means when the load is coming on the pile, so this loose soil will offer the friction force which is in same direction with the load. So that is the negative skin friction. So friction force is acting for in case of very loose soil in the same direction with the load, along with the load. So that is the negative skin friction. So it is particularly due to the very loose soil. So this is the main cause. Very loose soil is there, then there will be frictional force which is along with the direction of load. So that means in downward direction. So frictional force and load both and pile is moving in downward direction. So for this very loose soil, soil is settling more than pile, and for this dense soil, pile is settling more than pile. Pile is settling more than soil. So these are the basic concepts regarding this positive and negative skin friction. Now here is some description. When loose soil compacts, it drags the pile along with it. So loose soil compacts means while driving the pile there is a compaction of pile, not compaction of pile, it is a compaction of soil. So if there is a loose soil, the soil gets compacts and it drags the pile along with it. Means due to that negative skin friction, due to this negative skin friction, this pile is moved in downward direction along with the soil. And negative skin friction occurs when settlement of loose soil due to compaction is more than the settlement of pile due to external loading. So that we have discussed in the figure. Now, which are the how the negative skin friction occurs? So that is, first case is recently filled soil. So what is recently filled soil? For example, if we consider a plot where the construction is to be performed, so plot level, the ground level of the plot is much below than the road level, top level of the road. Then in that case we have to fill that plot with the soil. So there is a new soil filling over the original ground level on the plot. So that soil we are filling to flush with the road. So that is the recently filled soil, and on that soil that top layer of the soil will be loose, and on that soil where if suppose we are doing the pile foundation, so in that we will face the negative skin friction problem. Then second case, there is a very loose sand. So there is some areas which are very sandy areas, sandy soil occurs. Suppose there is a desert land, then in that case there is a loose sand. Then soft clay you can consider black cotton soil. So it is available in the farm, on the field. Then due to lowering of water table, what happens? Sigma bar, that is effective stress and settlement, increases. So why settlement increases? So due to lowering of water table, means originally there is a water table up to the ground level, then water table gets reduced means below it goes below the ground level. Now due to that lowering of water table, whatever the voids or soil pores which were get filled with the water, so those are now empty. So therefore there is a due to that empty voids, now there is a loose soil. Therefore this is the one of the cause. Then pile driving operations nearby. Now suppose there is a plot, on the plot there is a pile foundation construction. Now while driving the piles, there may be some vibrations are there. So while driving there will be vibrations will be transferred to the surrounding plots. Now due to vibrations means there is a disturbance to the soil, and this disturbance will cause the looseness of the soil. So whatever there is a settled soil is there, due to vibrations it will become a loose soil. So that is the main cause. So these are the 5 reasons or cases where negative skin friction may occur. Now this negative skin friction can be reduced by, so it can be reduced by, first, keeping the surface of pile smooth, in areas of loose sand. So for areas of loose sand, we can keep the surrounding surface circumference. If there is a circular pile, its perimeter or circular circumference we can keep smooth to avoid the contact between contact between pile and loose sand. And second, providing a sleeve to the pile and isolating it from the surrounding loose sand. Again, to provide the purpose of sleeve is to prevent the contact between pile surface and loose soil. So that sleeve means there is a one extra cover provided to the pile, so that cover will prevent contact between soil and pile. So this therefore we can reduce the negative skin friction with the help of providing sleeves. Now, why to study this negative skin friction? So it is more important to study because negative skin friction adding to the external load on pile. So if you see the figure here, see the figure, this is the downward load acting on the pile, this is the frictional force for the loose soil layer which is along with the downward load, which is in the same direction with the downward load. So this downward friction force, so this downward frictional force, it is an additional force, it is additional force with the along with the external load. So that is the external load is increasing. Okay, so this is the adding to the external load on the pile. So means whatever we have designed the pile with the considering the structural load, total structure coming on the pile in future, so that structural load Q we are considering only, but there is a loose soil, loose sand is there, then in that case whatever we had considered, whatever we designed the pile considering the structural load, that will be that will not be beneficial for us. Means this negative friction will cause additional load to the pile while driving, and this may be the failure, structural failure of the soil, not soil, structural failure of the pile. Then it is reducing the pile load capacity. So pile load capacity means you can calculate the ultimate load carrying capacity of the pile. So that is the design part. So ultimate load carrying capacity you can calculate from by considering the total structure load coming on the pile. So that is so if the frictional force is in downward direction along with the coming load coming by the structure, then it will reduce the load carrying capacity of the pile. And third point is, if a relative moment, that is between pile and soil, of 10 mm takes place, so this moment is enough to mobilize the negative skin friction. So if the relative moment between soil and pile is 10 mm, then you can say there is a chances of negative skin friction. So this is the criteria. So 10 mm settlement, relative moment means more than 10 mm settlement between soil and pile, then you can say there is a occurrence of negative skin friction. So this is about the negative skin friction. Now in next lecture I will cover the concept of under rim pile. Thank you.